How to get 7 plus on IELTS Speaking Part 1. In this video, you're going to learn some techniques that will help you to get 7 or more on the speaking test for the IELTS. Today, we are focusing only on Part 1 of the IELTS Speaking. While you're preparing for the test, it's very important to know what is expected of you. So in IELTS Speaking Part 1, the examiner expects the candidate to give direct but natural answers to simple personal questions. You should expand a little beyond just yes or no, usually with 2 to 4 sentences. It is important that you sound natural and conversational, not only having rehearsed or robotic answers. Make sure you use a range of vocabulary and grammar even for simple topics. Speak clearly and confidently, even if the topic is easy or familiar. Part 1 topics are everyday ones like hobbies, hometown, work, study, travel, food, free time, etc. The key is to be yourself, keep the conversation moving, and show off your English naturally. While you're preparing for IELTS speaking, it is also important to know how you are assessed. So here we have the IELTS speaking band descriptors. To get to the highest band possible, which is 9, you are assessed in 4 different aspects. The first one is fluency and coherence. Here, you should speak fluently with only rare repetition or self-correction. Any hesitation is content-related rather than to find words or grammar. You should speak coherently with fully appropriate cohesive features. And you should develop the topic fully and appropriately. The second point is lexical resource. Here, you should use vocabulary with full flexibility and precision in all topics. You should also use idiomatic language naturally and accurately. The third point is grammatical range and accuracy. It is important for you to use a full range of structures naturally and appropriately. You should produce consistently accurate structures apart from slips characteristic of native speaker speech. And the last point of your assessment is pronunciation. For pronunciation, you should use a full range of pronunciation features with precision and subtlety. You must sustain flexible use of features throughout, and your pronunciation should be effortless to understand. For today's video, I brought 2 topics with different questions for you to practice for IELTS Speaking Part 1 and also with some sample answers. It doesn't mean that this is the only way for you to answer it. So the first question is, have you ever taken a ride on a boat? Yes, I have taken several boat rides, each offering a unique and memorable experience. One of the most unforgettable rides was a serene cruise along the canals of Amsterdam. As the boat glided through the narrow waterways, I was able to appreciate the historic architecture of the city from a different perspective. Remember, it is very important to answer the question not only yes, no, right? Expand your answer a little bit more. The next question. Do you like traveling by boat? Yes, I enjoy traveling by boat. There is something peaceful about being on the water, surrounded by the gentle sounds of waves and the open sky. Boat travel offers a unique vantage point to appreciate the beauty of nature and the scenic landscapes along the journey. What are the advantages of traveling by boat? Traveling by boat has several distinct advantages. Firstly, it allows access to remote and otherwise unreachable locations, such as secluded islands and coastal areas. Secondly, boat travel offers a unique perspective of landscapes, providing breathtaking views that cannot be experienced from land. Do people in your country like to travel by boat? In my country, boat travel is quite popular, particularly for leisure and recreational activities. During the summer months, many people enjoy boating on lakes, rivers, and coastal waters. Activities such as sailing, fishing, and water sports are common pastimes. Will it get more popular in the future? I believe boat travel will continue to grow in popularity in the future. Several factors contribute to this trend. As people become more environmentally conscious, there is a growing interest in sustainable and eco-friendly modes of transportation. Advances in green boating technology, such as electric and solar-powered boats, will likely make boat travel more appealing. Now, it is very common for the examiner to change the topic throughout the conversation on IELTS Speaking Part 1 to test both your vocabulary and your grammar skills. So here we're going to start another topic for Speaking Part 1 for IELTS. Do you like bags? Yes, I have a keen appreciation for bags, both for their practicality and their aesthetic appeal. Bags are essential accessories that serve multiple functions, from carrying daily essentials to making a fashion statement. I find that a well-designed bag can significantly enhance both convenience and style. What types of bags do you like? I particularly like messenger bags and backpacks for their convenience and versatility. Messenger bags are ideal for professional settings, offering ample space while maintaining a sleek and polished appearance. Backpacks, on the other hand, are perfect for casual outings and travel. They distribute weight evenly across the shoulders, making them comfortable to carry for extended periods. Do you usually carry a bag when you go out? Yes, I usually carry a bag when I go out. It helps me keep all my essentials organized and ensures I have everything I need, whether it's for work, leisure, or running errands. Carrying a bag allows me to be prepared for various situations, from needing my laptop for work to having a water bottle for a day out. What types of bags do you use in your everyday life? In my everyday life, I primarily use a backpack for work and casual outings, and a smaller crossbody bag for more formal occasions or quick trips. The backpack is perfect for carrying a few items, and it is spacious and comfortable, making it ideal for daily commutes and longer journeys. What do you put in these bags? In my backpack, I typically carry a laptop, notebooks, pens, a water bottle, and sometimes a light jacket. These items are essential for my work and daily activities, ensuring that I am prepared for meetings, note-taking, and staying hydrated throughout the day. Additionally, I often include personal items like a wallet, phone, keys, and sometimes snacks for convenience. What sorts of bags do women like to buy? Women tend to buy a variety of bags depending on their lifestyle and preferences. Common choices include stylish handbags for everyday use, versatile bags for work and errands, and elegant clutches for special occasions. Handbags come in various designs and sizes, offering a balance of fashion and functionality for daily use. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you would like to book a free 25-minute trial lesson with me, you can book your spot today just using this email that you can see here on the screen, morisoet@gmail.com. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time.